Hello family, I am back with another trim. This is my sister. She is getting her hair trimmed. This may be more of a little bit of a cut because she's got, as you can see, a lot of split hairs, and she's been wearing a lot of braids, and it has been a minute since she's had a trim. So, in fact, I don't think she's been this year. And so it is way overdue. So we're going to go ahead and dive in here and bring this hair back to life. So I'm going to allow y'all to watch this and observe this. Y'all, I remember when she and my daughter were still getting relaxers, and I talked to them about going natural, and they were both growling at me like, we don't want to do that, that's not for everybody, and nobody has time for that. And I was like, well, natural hair is the way to go. The chemicals are just too harsh. They are putting a lot of stuff in those chemicals, and it's just not good for our scalp, our bodies. And there are lots of things out there about it that, honestly, I'm really surprised that people are still relaxing, because there's so much information out there that is letting you know that it is not the way to go. So anyways, but at some point, I think they both came to their senses, and they allowed me to give them their big chops. And so they have been natural for, I don't know how long now, but a long time. And they both have beautiful, beautiful hair. And so I'm so glad they got over themselves and got out of the way of having amazing hair. So if you're listening to this, allow this to be your sign to just take better care of your hair. Allow this to be your sign to get your ends clipped. Stop trying to hold on to the hair that's no longer serving you, honey. Those split ends, they are not of God. No, they are not of God. So just get rid of them. They are on the enemy's team, honey. And so we don't do that. Okay? I know many of us didn't grow up, just knowing what to do with our hair. So, hair for me, healthy hair is the way to go. Getting those ends trimmed, that is the way to go. So I'm actually wrapping up this section of her hair, and then here in a second you'll see me start to trim around the front area of the hair. And she and my sister and one other relative. Oh, look at how excited she is. But anyways, her and one other relative I allowed. Oops, I got cut off. But what I was saying was, many of you know that I'm in a salon now. So only my sister and I think one other person I allow to come over and get their ends trimmed if that's what they need. But the rest of you, honey, hit that link, the Main Attraction Beauty Bar. Come, let me love on your hair, love on you. Let's get your hair back to a healthy place so that it can grow long and be all about what you really want it to be, and not frustrating you every day because it's not doing right. Okay, so let's get those ends off. Also, you can notice here that I am trying, y'all, with this content life. I'm trying to be more of a student of making these videos, and so that you guys can see, so you can be inspired and encouraged and see what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, what you might need to come allow me to do with your hair, all the things. Well, if I don't get my video skills and get my video game up, then y'all can't see this stuff. So y'all be patient with me as I'm learning how to do this, how to get all of this done. So we're wrapping up the top, the crown of her head and getting the final parts done. I don't know if y'all can notice right there, but she is kind of sort of trying to take a little nap on me, okay? She is taking a little nap. Y'all, I've been combing this hair since she was a teeny weeny baby. Some of you know, some of you don't know, many of you don't know that my little sister was 2 when I gave birth to my baby. And you know what? I gave her the best birthday present ever because I gave birth to my daughter on my baby sister's birthday. Isn't that precious? So I've been combing their hair their whole lives. Okay. But look at it, y'all. Look at how healthy her hair is. She has a head full of hair. It's so awesome. It is so awesome. Davida, aren't you glad you listened to me? Aren't you glad? There she goes, y'all. Y'all can see that she really is slick napping. She is slick taking a nap. So I'm going to wrap up these final pieces here. Now, I do realize that some of you like when the videos are really short and sweet. Okay, there are plenty of those on my page. Go watch them. But some of you are like, hey, it's so therapeutic watching the trim and the cuts and all that. So this is for you. This is for you. And if you're still watching at this point, tell me, let me know. Because again, I do know that many of you come on and you just speed through it or skip over and try to get to the bottom, to the end of the thing. But y'all, you miss out on things when you do that. Be in the moment. Be in the moment, okay? So if you're still watching right now at this point, I want you to leave me a comment and let me know. Let me know you're still watching. So if you have not scheduled an appointment with me, we opened yesterday on October 6th was our first day. And so the salon is officially open for you to come to the salon, the main attraction beauty bar. Book me for your services and come and experience the head spa. Come get some products. Come get your life, honey. Come get your life. Come let me love on you. Okay? So thank y'all so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. I'll be bringing you more fun stuff. Okay? Go ahead and book. Go ahead and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.